Are you interested in ice block making machines, cold room or any other HVAC products and services? Then search no further. DeKoolar is the Nigerian leading manufacturer of quality ice block making machines, efficient cold rooms, refrigeration and air conditioning systems, and many other cooling and heat transfer equipment. We design, manufacture, install and service all types of HVAC equipment and systems. Absolutely no competitor compares with DeKoolar's superior and efficient solutions backed by a reliable customer support service. Our technical expertise, wealth of industry expertise and hefty customer base are simply unmatched. Thank you for visiting us online. Our website provides you information about us and what we can do for you. Please note we are waiting to hear from you and learn more about your business needs. Call DeKoolar today.